Ahoy! Well, I don't know what to make of this. It's been windy as hell for 4 days now. I got launched on Friday, and I was in the hoist well all day Saturday, you know, cleaning and putting the dinghy together and stuff, and it was just blowing like hell. And then when I brought the boat over on Sunday, it was blowing like hell. And it was blowing like hell yesterday. I was supposed to have the rig inspected, but I mean, it was just too windy. I mean, you know, the guy can't go up in the bosun's chair when, you know, they're gonna get blown sideways off the top of the mast. And then, and it blew all night, and it's blowing today. You know, I got my sails here. This is my Jenny. Here's the main, and here's my jib sheets, Genoa sheets. I've moved to the forward cabin here, so my bedding. It's really nice sleeping up here with the hatch open. I got the hatch closed now because it's calling for scattered thunderstorms. It looks like it might rain. I think today what I might do, there's that space there where the old reading lamp used to be. I'm gonna today I plan on installing this new reading lamp that I got from my brother, and it's the same as these other two. So these are nice kind of LED reading lamps. So I just need to install that one up front, and then I'll have that part updated. I'm still I'm mostly figured out where I'm going to keep my gear, and I'll do an episode about that, like where I keep all my gear, because you gotta, you know, the old adage that a place for everything and everything in its place is especially true on a sailboat. You gotta know where something is when you need it. So, and then here's the sail cover. So, you know, and I got some other gear here. But yeah, it's another red flag day at Ottawa Beach. So yeah, I don't know, there's some rain coming maybe. And yeah, I'm like, you know, there's still almost nobody here. I mean, there's a couple of power boats, but it's kind of strange. It's like it's the second half of June, and I mean that big Benny was there when I got. I don't know if yeah you saw that in the last one I did when I was on Sunday. He was still here, but they left yesterday, the day before. So yeah, I'm just kind of, you know, I can't bend the sails on when it's blowing like this, especially when I'm working by myself, you know. But so that's how it is. Yeah, you can see the surge coming in up the channel. So next sort of continues up into Lake Nakatawa. So yeah, kind of a blustery, cloudy, probably going to be a rainy day. But we haven't seen any rain yet. Well, I guess it's a yellow flag day. Not quite as bad as a red flag day. Here's somebody kiteboarding. Alright, so I did accomplish this today. I installed this reading lamp in the fore cabin. Look at that. So now I can read while I'm lying in my berth. And it's an LED one, so it doesn't, unlike this incandescent one, this is still incandescent, it gets kind of warm. But yeah, that, oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay, well, speaking of bed, that's where I'm going. Good night.